Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this column we have to bring the count of these cities using countif function. In this column we have to bring the count of these cities using countifs function. Countif will be used on single criteria and countifs function will be used on multiple criteria. Let me show you how. Is equal to countif, press tab. Here we have to select the range first. Select the complete column, cities, comma, criteria. Select the single cell, this is the one. Close the bracket, hit enter. Now Hyderabad is repeated 5 times in this column. Apply the formula to other cell. Now countif is equal to countif, press tab. Here we have to select the criteria range 1, first one. Select this column, complete column, comma, criteria 1. Select the single cell, same state cell, comma, criteria range 2. Select the complete city column, comma, and select only one cell here in criteria 2. Select this one, close bracket, hit enter. Now Aurangabad is repeated 2 times in this column. Drag the formula to other cells. That's all for the video. Thanks for watching.